talk about?
You know, what's going on?
Yeah.
What Ty's doing today? I don't know what he's doing right now, but...
You want me to talk right now?
No, don't talk right now. Alright, you're good.
Alright, so we've got this Model A chassis. We prepped it, epoxy primed it, sealed it, did a little body work. Now we've got it sprayed in a satin black, as you can see here. Also, we've got all kinds of parts here we've got painted. You got to see the block right there. We've got the rest of the suspension components over there. And we are in the fun reassembly stage. So this is the last time this is going back together. And we are excited to see how clean it looks when we get done. You can see we've got the brake lines plumbed over here, steering box is in it, motor mounts are mocked up on there. We've got a fuel line right here. And now Ty is about to put the rear end back in. Got coilovers on there, so this is always an exciting time. It's a little stressful because you got to make sure that we don't scratch anything up, that we've done all this work to get it painted all pretty and whatnot. But yeah, this is reassembly on the chassis. Next time you see it, hopefully this is going to be a rolling chassis with brakes, suspension, engine, transmission, and will be a lot prettier. So we're excited about this. Get that motor set off in there. We think that the color is going to look good together. And the body is actually up at Dad's shop on a dolly being body worked, and hopefully it'll have some color on it soon as well. We can mate it back on here, get all the fenders and everything on, and it'll look like a car again.